Attorneys David Siegel and Jesse Barrientos discuss divorce and family law. Be sure to stay tuned because at the end of this short video, you will have the opportunity to request a free copy of their book, Divorce and Family Law: Who Has the Legal Right When Things Go Terribly Wrong.
All these rules and regulations, this order that you're talking about, this judgment that's got all this itemized. How many pages are we talking? Are we talking about a 50-page document?
Not quite. It probably could be. You're probably talking, it could be about 20 pages or so.
It just seems like such a hassle to get all these details in writing, and then the parties have to follow that order. Otherwise, they can be in violation. They can be brought back into court on a rule to show cause. Correct?
They could. Let's explain to the folks at home what a rule to show cause is. Rule to show cause basically is saying that, hey, you want this person to show cause why they should not be held in contempt of court.
Because they violated
for
a court
violating
order.
The court order. So they have to appear. If they issue a rule, then you have a hearing, and it may be willful, it may not be willful. Let's say in the case of child support, if I didn't pay it, and the reason I didn't pay it was I lost my job, I didn't come in to get it reduced, chances are the judge probably won't find that it's willful. I'm still going to owe the money. But if I had the money and I just didn't want to pay it because, you know what, I don't like what my wife or my ex-wife said to me, and I'm just trying to hold the purse strings from her, then I'm going to be in trouble, and not only am I going to be obligated to pay that, the child support and the interest on the child support, I'm probably going to be obligated to pay her attorney's fees.
In my experience, I don't see a lot of heavy sanctions being dealt out on these rule to show cause cases.
Oh, I've seen it, and I don't know what you mean, when you talk about heavy, but generally there are, attorney's fees. The court's going to give that person a chance to what they call purge themselves.
Well, I'm not referring to child support because that's pretty cut and dry. Did you pay or not? But some of these other things about visitation, talking negatively about the other party in front of the children, the parties come into court and it's pretty much a he said, she said.
It is, but the court still has to make a decision. And, if the court finds that it's willful and there's proof, then, they, now understand, judges can make whatever decision they want until, you appeal it if you appeal it, okay? And so, but, if it's a question, like you said, of saying, well, he talked bad about me and the judgment says I shouldn't talk bad. So now, what does that mean exactly? And what impact? And, if you're going to spend a lot of money to pursue it, and that's what you're going to do, who knows what the judge is going to do? It, again, depends on the circumstance.
Call now to request a free copy of the book, Divorce and Family Law. You may also call to schedule a free initial consultation, 847-520-8100, 847-520-8100.